Phoenix is a rapidly growing and evolving city, but so are the challenges in keeping our community safe. Security technology updates provided by Grab the Axe are at the forefront of this evolution. For years, Phoenix has been the center for semiconductors and computer chip manufacturing. There are also many important data centers in Phoenix, as it is seen as a low disaster zone, which is good for the storage and safety of large amounts of data. Grab the Axe has made a list of security measures that are important to implement in a city like Phoenix. High-definition cameras with facial recognition capabilities, drones for aerial monitoring, and automated alert systems are revolutionizing how communities deter and respond to potential threats. Phoenix communities are adopting comprehensive cybersecurity measures to protect their networks and data. This includes firewalls, encryption, and intrusion detection systems designed to safeguard personal and communal information from cyberattacks. Integrated systems that control lighting, alarms, and camera feeds via smartphone apps allow residents to monitor their homes from anywhere, providing peace of mind. Mobile apps that provide instant access to emergency services, wearable panic buttons, and community alert systems ensure that help is always at hand. AI-powered analytics can predict potential security breaches by analyzing vast amounts of data from various sources, including social media, traffic cameras, and weather reports. This proactive approach to security allows communities to anticipate and mitigate risks before they escalate. The landscape of community safety in Phoenix is being transformed by technological innovation. With security technology updates in Phoenix, Grab the Axe is dedicated to navigating this changing terrain.
Grab the Axe, Total Security Solutions.